China is rapidly emerging as a global leader in the field of physical AI, an exciting frontier where artificial intelligence is integrated into physical systems to enhance how humans and robots interact. At the heart of this movement are state-supported initiatives and groundbreaking collaborations, such as the recent partnership between Shanghai-based Zhiyuan Robotics and US firm Physical Intelligence. Together, they aim to develop humanoid robots with advanced multimodal perception, enabling them to perform intricate tasks like tying scarves with remarkable dexterity. This drive for innovation is not limited to research alone. Chinese companies like Fourier Intelligence are unveiling next-generation humanoid robots, such as the GR2, which boasts 53 degrees of freedom and a robust load capacity. These advancements demonstrate China's commitment to creating robots capable of complex, real-world applications, from industrial automation to personal assistance. Underpinning these technological leaps is strong policy support. In 2024, China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, alongside other government bodies, released detailed guidelines for AI development. These policies target key areas like standards for technologies, products, and industry applications, aiming to establish over 50 national and industrial standards by 2026. Such targeted regulation not only ensures quality and safety, but also accelerates the pace of innovation. Another major milestone is the AI Plus initiative, launched in March 2024 by Premier Li Qiang. This bold program seeks to weave AI into the fabric of China's real economy, fostering broader adoption across sectors from manufacturing to healthcare. By integrating AI in practical settings, China is positioning itself to drive economic growth, boost productivity, and spark new waves of innovation. These efforts are already yielding tangible results, with over 1,000 robots produced by Zhiyuan Robotics alone, and continuous advancements in embodied intelligence. China's investment in physical AI is reshaping industries. The vision goes beyond automation. It's about creating intelligent machines that can safely act and seamlessly collaborate with people, enhancing productivity and improving quality of life. As the global race for AI leadership intensifies, China's proactive approach, marked by strategic partnerships, policy initiatives, and relentless innovation, places it at the forefront of physical AI. The next breakthrough is not just about smarter machines, but about a future where humans and AI-powered robots work hand in hand to solve real-world challenges and unlock new possibilities for society.